For number 44, I'm going to set up a system of equations. And you can read through this problem, but I have both green beans. So I'm going to let green beans be represented with a B, or the number of green beans. I think it was half cup servings. And then we're going to let S represent the number of shrimp servings, which those were 2-ounce shrimp servings. And then I'm going to set up a sentence for the carbohydrates and a sentence for the calories. So for the carbohydrates, if he wants to have 158 grams of carbs, and we have that green beans is 7 grams per serving of carbs, and the shrimp are 9 grams of carbs per serving, then my sentence would be that I would have 7 grams for every green bean serving, plus 9 grams of carbs for every shrimp serving, and we want that to add up to be 158 total. And then we'll do the same thing with the calories. So this was your carbs, and do the same thing with the calories. So now let's get that gone away. Now we'll look at calories. So we want a total of 980 calories, 30 calories per green bean serving, and 190 per shrimp serving. So that would look like 30 times each green bean serving, plus 190 calories for every fried shrimp serving, and we want that total to be 980. So now to solve that system, let's look at that. I believe we are going to need to first, let's simplify this second one. You can see that we could divide both sides of the equation by 10. So let's make our new system of equations. 7b plus 9s equals 158. And if I divide both sides of that equation by 10, I'll end up with 3b plus 19s equals 98. That makes the numbers a little bit more manageable. I'm going to go ahead and erase that so I have some more room. And then now we can look at eliminating one of these variables. So why don't we eliminate the b's? Least common multiple there would be 21. So if I multiply the first equation by 3 to let the b's be 21, and then the second one by a -7, those would be opposite and eliminate. So that would give me 21b plus 27s equals, and you multiply that, 474. And my second equation would give me -21b minus 133s equals a -686. B's are eliminated. These two will add up to be a -106s equals -212. Divide both sides by the -106, and we'll have the number of shrimp servings will be 2. So we'll have 2 of the shrimp servings, and then go back to wherever you can find the simplest way to plug this in. I'll probably go either one of these. It doesn't matter. So if we plug in a 3 here, 2 for S here, then I'll get 7b plus 18 equals 158, and then 7b equals 140, so b would equal 20. So you could have 20 servings of the half cups of beans, and you could have 2 servings of the 2-ounce shrimp servings.